In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a trade on MT5. We'll walk through a simple, clear example together, so if you're new to MetaTrader5, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to open a chart and place a basic buy or sell order. First, make sure you have MT5 open and that you're logged into your trading account. On the left side of the platform, you'll see the Market Watch window. This is where all your available trading symbols are listed, such as major currency pairs, indices, or other instruments your broker offers. Look through the list and find the symbol you want to trade. For example, you might choose something like EURUSD, but you can use any symbol that appears there. Once you've found it, move your mouse over that symbol and right-click. A context menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click on Chart Window. This will open a new price chart for that symbol in the main area of your platform. Take a second to confirm you're looking at the correct chart by checking the symbol name at the top of the chart window. Now that your chart is open, you're ready to start setting up a trade. At the top of the platform, just above the chart, look for the New Order button and click it. This opens the order window, which is where you define all the details of the trade you're about to place. In this window, first check that the symbol matches the one you want to trade. Then, choose your volume, which is the position size. This is very important because it controls how much you're risking on the trade. Make sure it fits your risk management plan and your account size. You'll also see fields for stop loss and take profit. If you already know your levels, you can enter them here to automatically manage your risk and lock in potential profits. If you're not sure yet, you can leave them empty and adjust them later on the chart. Once everything is set, you're ready to decide on direction. If you believe the price is going to go down and you want to profit from a fall in price, click the sell button. If you believe the price is going to go up and you want to profit from a rise in price, click the buy button. After you click, your trade will be placed, and you'll see it appear in the terminal or toolbox area at the bottom of MT5. That's all there is to opening a chart and placing a trade on MT5.